ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson Airport, where the local time is approximately 7:40. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry an item stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, please caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury, as items tend to shift in flight. You may not use your cell phone and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. On behalf of Delta, Sky Team, our codeshare partners, we thank you for flying with us today. We have enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you, and have a pleasant evening. Should you have any questions regarding baggage tape,